Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Easy Pictures to Draw. Today we're going to go over how to draw a Jason Voorhees mask. Jason's from Friday the 13th series, so let's get going. Real simple, easy, cartoony, with a marker, step by step. Let's do it. So I'm going to start with the general faceplate shape, and that's really much just a circle egg kind of thing. Circle egg. It's a little bit it's like an upside down egg because there's a little bit of a more straight toward the top, like a skull. But I start with that shape, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put circles for the eye cavities. And I'm going to fill that in with black. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and I'm going to draw 3 dots right below the eye and another 3 dots. And then outside of those, I'm going to draw 2 more dots. On his cheek over here, 3, kind of like very similar to like the Predator. Those 3 dots that he has. Then 3 more on the temple, both of them. 3 in a row above it, above the eye. One at the top here, which is actually the latch. It's going to be a square with a circle in the middle of it. And you could draw with a thin line kind of a curve with a straight, and that would be the nose, kind of the lower plane of the nose. And if you really want, you can kind of fill that in as well with black. Afterward, he has this design right here. I'm going to grab a red colored pencil. I'm going to draw kind of this triangle aiming downward in the middle. And I'm going to draw these kind of very thin, elongated triangles on the left and the right side of his face. And then I'm going to take either a pencil or a black colored pencil, probably a black colored pencil actually. And I'm going to go into the top and I'm going to just shade in this latch really quick. Just to kind of give it some texture. And if you really want, you can take that, kind of throw a little bit on the side of the pencil here to show the roundness, of that eye socket. And maybe even toward the side of the mask as well. Little edges. And it gives a little bit of dimension to, like a more or less really cartoony drawing. That's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully that was easy enough to follow along. Press that like button. Also, in the first comment of the video, a highlighted comment, I'm going to put the link to an ebook that talks about shading entirely if you want to learn that. Otherwise, I'm going to post a video a lot during Halloween. So talk to you guys later.